Hello. To work with Python, we have more than one option. We will go through all of them during this course. You can use Python shell for the command line. You can use Jupyter Notebook, or you can use an integrated development environment. Some of the commonly used IDEs to develop Python scripts are PyCharm, Atom, and Visual Studio Code. The choice of an IDE is a personal preference, so you can use any of those IDEs, or you can simply use a simple text editor. The command line is normally used for experimentation. Jupyter Notebook is a web-based interactive computing platform. The notebook can combine code, graphics, and multimedia. PyCharm is the most intelligent Python IDE, as we will see. You will normally use an IDE to develop Python script because it has all the bells and whistles. In the next few videos, we will install Python along with Jupyter Notebook and PyCharm on different operating systems. So please choose the one relevant to you. See you later in the next lecture.